is sold for miles. It's hard to believe Ohio still has land like this. It's all owned, but no houses, no electricity. And if you look, ain't that so beautiful down through there? Well, guess what? For all you into this, for pipeline people, or against the pipeline, no, this is the pipeline. It's beautiful. They maintain it, they mow it, plant life. You know? All wildlife depends on this stuff when you start doing this. And if you look here, you can see where they nibble off everything. That's food for the deer. That's the seed. That's all food for the birds. You don't realize what the pipelines actually do for the wildlife. Because look at all the houses and the big cities, all concrete. It's really sad. People, you really don't know what you're talking about. This pipeline's been here since I was a boy. And I used to come from that hillside over there, all the way down, and all the way up this. Believe me, it's a long way. Just to get to my favorite spot. Can't wait to show you. If we can look back in here. I'm going to get to the base of that holler right there. I call it the high wall. This is the mouth of it. It goes way back up in there. Really beautiful. I almost started my track down, put my phone up before I drop it and break it. Crystal will hate me, my little girl. But let's see if I can zoom in. When I was a boy, I used to hunt this. Because there's no way out. Once they get in, they got to run around it. And this is the way out right here. Once I get around that piece, the rock's starting to stick out. Enjoy. I'm heading down.